This dance is called Who You Thought I Was. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improver level line dance. Starting on the right foot with some side touches. Step right to the side, touch left beside right, left to the side, right beside left. Into half a rumba box going forward. Right to the side, feet together, step the right forward. Side touches again, left foot leading. So step left to the side, touch right beside left, right to the side, left beside right. Half a rumba box going back. Left to the side, right beside left, step left back. So we end up where we started. That section once more then, side touches off on the right. 7, 8, side touch, side close, step, side touch, side close, back. So a lot of steps in each section means a lot of anchors. Going back on a back lock step now, right foot leading, back, lock, back. Coaster step off on the left. Step lock forward, right foot leading, step, lock, step. Step forward on the left, pivot a quarter turn right, cross the left over the right. So that set of steps once more then, back lock off on the right. 7, 8, back, lock, back, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, cross. Let's add that to the top. Side touch off on the right. 7, 8, side touch, side close, step, side touch, side close, back, back, lock, back, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, cross. Hinge half turn. So we're turning left, quarter left as you step that right back, further quarter left as you step the left to the side. You're going to add on an extended weave, continuing to travel to the left. So we cross the right over left, left to the side, right behind, left to the side, cross right over the left. Add on a couple of mambo crosses. So right to the side on the left, recover, cross left over right. That's your first mambo cross. Repeat with the right, rock to the side, recover, cross right over left. 2 mambo crosses ends that section. So that bit once more then. Hinge half turn into that extended weave. 7, 8, turn, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, mambo, cross. Let's add that to the top. Side touch off on the right. 7, 8, side touch, side close, step, side touch, side close, back, back, lock, back, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, cross, turn, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, mambo, cross. The last section. We're going to do a mambo half turn. So we rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, and make a half a turn left as you step that left forward. Go forward on a step lock, right foot leading, step, lock, step. Rocking chair on the left, rock forward, rock back, into a jazz box with a touch, cross, back, side, touch. So that section once more then. Mambo half off on that left. 7, 8, mambo half, step, lock, step, rocking chair, jazz cross, back, side, touch. End of dance, you start again with your side touches. So let's put it all together. Side touch off on the right. 7, 8. Side touch, side close step. Side touch, side close back. Back, lock, back. Coaster, step. Step, lock, step. Step, pivot, cross. Turn, turn, cross. Side behind, side cross. Mambo, cross. Mambo, cross. Mambo, half. Step, lock, step. Rocking chair, jazz box with touch. So like I said, a lot of steps, so a lot of hand cats. So let's go through it with the cats. Side touch, off on the right. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Like I said, a lot of hand counts. But that is your dance. It is a formal dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Side touch, off on the right. 7, 8. Side touch, side close step. Side touch, side close back. Back, lock, back. Coaster, step. Step, lock, step. Step, pivot, cross. Turn, turn, cross, side behind, side cross. Mambo, cross. Mambo, cross. Mambo, half. Step, lock, step. Rocking chair, jazz box with a touch. Side touch, side close step. Side touch, side close back. Back, lock, back. Coaster, step. Step, lock, step. Step, pivot, cross. Turn, turn, cross, side behind, side cross. Mambo, cross. Mambo, cross. Mambo, half. Step, lock, step. Rocking chair, jazz box with the touch. Side touch, side close step. Side touch, side close back. Back, lock, back. Coaster, step. Step, lock, step. Step, pivot, cross. Turn, turn, cross, side behind, side cross. Mambo, cross. Mambo, cross. Mambo, half. Step, lock, step. Rocking chair, jazz box with the touch. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side touch, side close step. Side touch, side close back. Back, lock, back. Coaster, step. Step, lock, step. Step, pivot, cross. Turn, turn, cross, side behind, side cross. Mambo, cross. Mambo, cross. Mambo, half. Step, lock, step. Rocking chair, jazz box with a touch. Side touch, side close step. Side touch, side close back. Back, lock, back. Coaster, step. Step, lock, step. Step, pivot, cross. Turn, turn, cross, side behind, side cross. Mambo, cross. Mambo, cross. Mambo, half. Step, lock, step. Rocking chair, jazz box with a touch. Side touch, side close step. Side touch, side close back. Back, lock, back. Coaster, step. Step, lock, step. Step, pivot, cross. Turn, turn, cross, side behind, side cross. Mambo, cross. Mambo, cross. Mambo, half. Step, lock, step. Rocking chair, jazz box with a touch. Side touch, side close step. go across, now go across, step, rocking chair, jazz balls, no touch, side touch, back rock, hinge, mambo, side touch, back rock, side touch, Hope you managed that one.